Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the sautéed chicken with celery and cashew. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Wash and wipe dry chicken thighs. Remove skin and bones and cut the chicken meat into 1 inch times 2 inch pieces. Prepare marinades for chicken. Grate ginger to prepare ginger juice. Add egg whites, oyster sauce, soy sauce, cooking wine, sugar, chicken powder, cornstarch, white pepper. Mix well. Wipe chicken meat to the driest. Add to marinades. Mix well. Cover and marinate for 30 minutes. Peel and cut garlic and shallots now. Wash and cut celery into 2 inch pieces. Peel the string, which is the fiber from the celery stalks. Cut the celery into about ½ inch wide. Boil water and add 1 teaspoon salt in it. Pour celeries in, turn off heat and soak for 1 minute. Scoop out. Do the same for carrots, roasted cashew and onion pieces. Heat pan now. Add 1 tablespoon oil into the chicken meat. Add 1 tablespoon oil into the pan as well. Add chicken meat and pan fry for 1 minute under medium heat. Flip chicken meat over and pan fry for another minute. My pan tends to stick a bit, so make sure you use a better pan and it's hot enough before pouring the chicken meat in. After pan frying, stir fry the chicken meat for about 1 minute until it's cooked. Scoop out. Clean pan, then heat up again and add 1 tablespoon oil. Add onions to saute until fragrant, then add shallots and garlic. Saute, then add celeries and carrots. Saute and add seasonings. Add 1 tablespoon hot water. Saute until moisture evaporates. Add chicken, and cashews. Mix ½ teaspoon cornstarch with 1 teaspoon water. Add in and saute briefly until the meat and vegetables are evenly coated with sauce. Scoop out. The easy and yummy sautéed chicken with celery and cashew is now ready to serve. Enjoy!